Hey guys, Chrissy from the Little Flower Farm here. Thought I'd take you guys along for some snow clearing in the Bobcat tractor. So we are in Massachusetts, Zone 6B. We just got a giant blizzard. We had about 36 inches or 3 feet of snow on top of about a foot of snow that we already had. So we have already spent the last 24 hours clearing our driveway out. As you can see, this is all our driveway, and right now we are heading out to help clear some of the neighborhood streets. Some of the streets were completely unpassable by plows, so we are gonna take the tractor out and see if we can get down those streets. I did speed up a lot of these videos so that it is not quite so long. Tractor only goes like 5 miles an hour, so it would take me a really long time to watch us drive all the way down the street. So come along with us and clear some snow and see how the tractor does. Also at the end I'll have a little garden update, and you can see how the field has fared in all of this snow. See you soon.
the other side? How we doing, guys? You what? Yeah, good. Gonna have to start dumping. Is he gonna be stuck there? I think I should go the other way. Yeah. This is horrible. Gotta get that thing. Yeah. One second, yep. I'm gonna back up. See if there's a button on that thing if you can get over there that says reset. If you can, yeah. Or whatever, just say hi to my mom. Good. Do you think they can get down here? They must be able to, right?
Here I had crawled through the snow. I just wanted to show you how deep the snow actually is. I am a very short person, so it's about up to my waist, but Pat's normal height, and it's mid-thigh on him, so it's pretty deep.
Heads up.
So this is one of the roads that the plows were not able to get down. What we were doing was going through with the tractor the first couple times back and forth, and then the plow was able to get down after that. You could see right away we hit a large snowdrift that was pretty hard and compact to get through and took us a little bit. We also got a bit stuck here, so under the snow was just a layer of ice once we got down far enough, which is another reason why the plows had quite a bit of trouble. I'm not gonna lie, I really quite enjoyed just sitting on the back and coming along for the ride. I had no other job but just to sit there and enjoy myself. It was a pretty nice day out. You can see the skies are blue. It was a beautiful view, and I just sat and enjoyed myself and went along for the ride while I had no children with me. It was wonderful. I used to do this a lot as a child with my dad, and I would sit on the back of the tractors or in the truck with him while he snowplowed. One of the other tractors that was also helping out got stuck here, so he took his claw and hooked it onto our bucket, and we were able to pull him out. Alright guys, I just wanted to give you an update on what was going on here at the Little Flower Farm. We are under about 3.5 feet of snow, just the most snow we've ever seen. I was gonna walk you out to the field. Let's see if I can do it. Ooh. Stand on top of it. It's pretty packed down right now. But I'm going to try to trek my way out to the field just so I can get some before pictures. You can see my dogs are here. Oh, good girl. Good job. Good job. Here's the greenhouse, which has some sections that have collapsed. All right. Come on, dogs. Here is the field. See how deep it is just by how deep the T-posts are. Woo! I am falling down about up to my mid-thigh in snow. Ugh. Some of it I can walk on top of, and some of it I just fall right through. Let's see the dogs. Good job! Come on, Dookie! Come on, Dougal! Good job! Good job! You can do it! Good job! Hi, Eva, you did a very good job too. You did a very good job too. Alright. So here is the field. Woo! Hi, Zeke. Come on, Zeke. That's the duck house over there. And the field is completely under a lot of snow. Got the dog parade. Good boy, Zeke. Come on, baby. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Oh, good boy. So that is where we are at here on the flower farm. Bye.